How to fix Cash App payment decline for your protection. Problem solved. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if Cash App says that the payment has been declined. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you're trying to send a money to someone, or maybe you're trying to request money from someone, but it simply says decline, and then how do you want to fix this issue? Now, this usually happens when Cash App thinks that the person you're trying to wire the money to is basically a spam account. So if you've been trying to send a money to a spammy account, then Cash App will simply try to protect your account, and in this case it will say payment declined for your protection. Sometimes it could be an international number, sometimes it could be a national number, but that account could be facing so many spam issues that whenever you try to send money to that person, you will simply face that error. So in this case, there's really nothing that you can actually do personally about it. The only thing you can do is simply try to contact the Cash App support. So open up the Cash App application on your phone, then you want to simply tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then you will see all this option where you have to scroll and then look for the option called support. And once you go to the option called support, simply scroll down, and then here you'll find Cash App support. Once you tap on it, simply talk to your Cash App support, leave a message, and then they will let you know what you can do further on. So hope this video helped answer your question as to how you can fix payment decline for your protection on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.